everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a Clubfactory haul. I've never done a Clubfactory haul ever in my life. In fact, I've never shopped from Clubfactory before this. So I'm really excited to share my first experience with you guys. And just a spoiler, it's a great one. Like, I'm so pleasantly surprised with everything that I've got. Everything that I've got is home decor related. I'm gonna need a lot of home decor really soon. You'll know why soon. But before we get started, just wanted to let you guys know that Clubfactory is having their Holi sale. Now this sale is from the 6th till the 8th of March and they have some crazy deals right up to 80% off. I also have a coupon code which is called Holi sale and you can use that to get ₹60 off on your orders above ₹250. This is not like an affiliate code. I'm not gonna make anything out of this. So as I mentioned, everything is home decor. And the first piece of home decor that we have is a hanging shelf. Now this is what it looks like. It's a little difficult for me to show you guys, but it's basically like a triangle shaped shelf. It's very beachy, very bohemian. I love like the macrame design on the handles. This was for around 600 rupees, which I think is actually pretty good, and the quality of this looks really nice. It looks very sturdy, doesn't look cheap at all, especially since I'm paying 600 rupees. I was a little skeptical ki maybe thoda sa it might look cheap, but it doesn't look cheap at all. Really excited to start using this. I could keep like a planter here and like a couple of other things. It would look really cute. Item number 2 is this huge circular mat. Again, very difficult for me to show you guys what it looks like, but of course I'll insert a picture. It's a jute circular mat, looks very high quality. Again, totally something I didn't expect. This was for 700 rupees, which I think is quite reasonable for a jute mat, especially this size. I've seen a lot of jute mats. I've tried to buy them off of like from stores and they were very expensive, which is why I never ended up buying them. I think I'm gonna buy one more of these. They have a bunch of different shapes. There was one rectangular one, there was one with like cutouts, but this was the one that I went with. But I love it. It adds such a like nice earthy tone to your space. So yeah, excited to use this. The next item, if you're on Instagram a lot, you've probably seen this. It's this woolen knitted blanket. I expected it to actually be like a full-on single person blanket, but it was very like small and rectangular, as you can see. I did go back to the app and check the dimensions, and it's my fault I didn't check the dimensions. On the app also it says itna hi size ka aur itne hi size ka hai. So I initially got it to use it as like a proper like blanket or like a throw blanket, but now I use it as a like a backdrop for pictures or like flat lay images. I think it's so cute, and I could still totally use this as like a throw blanket like on top of a couch. I think it would look really cute. The next item is this side table. Now when I was on Clubfactory the app, I really wanted to experiment and like buy full-on furniture also and see how it would turn out. So I picked up this side table, and can you guess the price? It's only for 550 rupees. And I think you can see like even on camera, it looks so nice. Very like rustic vibes, good quality also. And just for 550 rupees, I would highly recommend you guys to buy this. If you're looking for like a side table, I'm definitely going to go and pick up one more of these. Even if you don't like wood specifically, you could totally like spray paint this. I have so many like DIY ideas just from like looking at this. And that too just for 550 rupees. Like, I can't get over the price. Look how cute this iron basket is. You could store really anything. Like, you could store your makeup. You could store like stuff from the kitchen in here. I think I'm going to use this for a lot of like images, pictures, for Instagram. Very good quality. Like when I bought this, I thought that the white would chip off because of how cheap this was. This was for 550 rupees when I got it, and as you can see, it's super cute, very good quality. I think I'm sounding like a broken record at this point, but it's only because I'm so like shocked at how everything is really good quality, and it just doesn't go hand in hand with the prices. So a thumbs up. The next item, I don't know why I picked it up. I don't really need a shower curtain, but I picked it up mainly for the print. I really like the print. I think it's like a eucalyptus leaves ka print all over. The base is white with green leaves all over. I feel like just because it's called a shower curtain, you don't necessarily have to use it in the shower. You could use this anywhere around the house. I'm still trying to figure out where I could use this potentially. I think it could look great for like pictures or just like decor in general. I think it would add a lot of value to your space because of how like expensive and like very urban outfitters sort of the print looks. Talking about eucalyptus, I also got a eucalyptus fake plant. I tried to look for these here in India in Crawford Market. I could not find them anywhere. So the minute I saw it on Clubfactory, I had to like grab it. This was for 250 rupees, which is not bad at all. It looks a little bent right now because I still need to like fluff it out because it was packed quite like compactly. So the leaves are kind of bent. Like the base of these leaves is quite flexible. So I have to sit and fluff all of these out, and it's gonna look really pretty. Also got a set of two trays, tea trays. Again, I'm gonna use it mainly for like pictures, flat lays, etc. You guys get the point. But again, just look at the color of the wood. This was what really like drew me to buy these. I like this shade of wood, so I got a set of two. Talking about this shade of wood, I also picked up one of my favorite items. It is this clothing rack. So this is what the clothing rack looks like, and we built it ourselves. Aditya and I built the whole thing. I think it took us around 25 minutes to build it. You do not need any tools. Like I personally don't have a toolkit at all, so you don't need a screwdriver, you don't need any of that. It comes like the whole thing comes with I think 8 or 9 screws. Usme hi aata hai packet mein, and it also comes with an Allen key. It's not difficult, don't worry. It came with an instruction manual, so you have to follow that, and as I said, it didn't take that long, and the after result was so good. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna pick up one more of these because of how good the quality is. I have a couple of boring things. The first one being bed sheets. So I am obsessed with white sheets. I don't use any other color ke bed sheets, and when it comes to buying white bed sheets, what I've noticed is they are very expensive. So I bought this huge king size bed sheet with 2 pillow covers included, and this was only for 800 rupees. I've bought bed sheets for like 2,500 rupees, which weren't even king size, let's be clear on that. So I was very impressed. I'm gonna start using these, and if I need a few more, I'm definitely gonna give like buy them from Clubfactory now onwards. Let's talk about some pillows. So I got a set of 5 pillows. These are like full proper size ke pillows, and I got a set of 5 for 500 rupees. So one pillow is for 100. If you know anything, like if you've ever bought pillows, you know pillows are not that cheap. 8 pillow for 100 rupees is a great deal, and it's not like those cheap sort of pillows. It's very very fluffy and proper filling wala hai. So very excited about that. I do need a lot of pillows, so abhi ke liye 5 is fine, but might need to go back and order a few more. The next item is again related to like the bed area. This is a canopy, and this is white in color, of course. It's a net canopy. Of course, you can use it as a machardani. That's what it basically is. But it just looks very like fairy tale and like mystical. I think it looks very very pretty, which is why I picked this one up. As you can see in the image, I think it looks so dreamy and so pretty. So I can't wait to start using this. Completely forgot to show this item. It's for 170 rupees only, and it has like hooks at the back. You can attach it on the wall, and you can use this as a hanger. Like you can hang whatever you want, like clothes, bags, and it looks quite cool, I would say. So you could stretch it out all the way or like keep it like that. Really depends on how you like it. And the last item that I have is not home decor related, but I thought I would just add it in because I got it with this order. It's this pink colored wig. So I posted an image on my Instagram with that wig on, and I got so many comments asking where I got the wig from. It's this beautiful bubblegum pink sort of a wig, very high quality. It did not tangle up. So I have bought wigs in the past as well, and after just using them for like once, they get so tangled up and it's just very difficult to get rid of the knots. This one is not the same. It's not like the ones that I've got before. It's good quality and I got it from Clubfactory. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget that Clubfactory is having their Holi sale from the 6th till the 8th of March, and if you want, you can use my code Holi Sale. That's the code you can use to get a little bit of a discount. I think that's about it. I'm gonna make sure to link all the products in the description box below. As always, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.